Hi guys! Today, we will be discussing about the parts and the functions of the animal cell. First, the nucleus. Nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle that contains genetic material or DNA of eukaryotic organisms. As such, it serves to maintain the integrity of the cell by facilitating transcription and replication processes. It's the largest organelle inside the cell, taking up about a tenth of the entire cell volume. Next is the nucleolus. Is a round body located inside the nucleus of eukaryotic cell. It is not surrounded by a membrane but sits in the nucleus. The nucleolus makes ribosomal subunits from proteins and ribosomal RNA, also known as rRNA. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Meshwork of finely-like tubular membrane vesicles, part of a continuous membrane organelle within the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells, that is involved in the synthesis and storage of lipids, including cholesterol and phospholipids, which are used in the production of a new cellular. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is an organelle found in eukaryotic cells. Its main function is to produce proteins. It is made up of cisternae, tubules, and vesicles. The cisternae are made up of flattened membrane discs, which are involved in the modification of proteins. The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, is a double layer of lipids and proteins that surrounds a cell. It separates the cytoplasm, the contents of the cell, from the external environment. Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and it's enclosed by the cell membrane. It is mainly composed of water, salts, and proteins. In eukaryotic cells, the cytoplasm includes all the material inside the cell and outside of the nucleus. The cytoskeleton is a network of filaments and tubules that extends throughout the cell, throughout the cytoplasm, which is all of material within a cell except for the nucleus. It is found in all cells through the proteins that is made up of vary between organisms. Vacuoles are storage bubbles found in cells. They are found in both animal and plant cells but are much larger in plant cells. Vacuoles might store food or any variety of nutrients a cell might need to survive. They can even store waste products so the rest of the cell is protected from contamination. Centrioles, a small, cylindrical cell organelle seen near the nucleus in the cytoplasm of most eukaryotic cells that divides in perpendicular fashion during mitosis. The new pair of centrioles moving ahead of the spindle to opposite poles of the cell as the cell divides. Ribosomes are minute particles consisting of RNA and associated proteins that function to synthesize proteins. Proteins are needed for many cellular functions such as repairing damage or directing chemical processes. Ribosomes can be found floating within the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Somes, an organelle of bacteria that appears as an invagination of the plasma membrane and functions either in DNA replication and cell division or excretion of exoenzymes. Mitochondria are membrane-bound cell organelles that generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. Chemical energy produced by the mitochondria is stored in a small molecule called adenosine triphosphate. And the last one, the Golgi complex, a stack of small flat sacs formed by membranes inside the cell cytoplasm. The Golgi complex prepares proteins and lipid molecules for use in other places inside and outside the cell. The Golgi complex is a cell organelle, also called Golgi apparatus and Golgi body. That's all for this video. I hope you like it and thanks for watching.